Good afternoon, friends. In this lecture, we will start with the design of Moore-based FSM. The design of Mealy-based FSM we have completed in the previous class. So, first and foremost, we will try to understand the functionality of Moore FSM and how it differs from the Mealy FSM. Then we will try to understand the generalized model of Moore sequential machine. To get into the inside of design step which are involved in the Moore-based FSM, we will try to cover two examples. The first example that we will discuss is again a same example, which is a 101 sequence detector with overlapping pattern, but this time the system or the FSM would be a Moore-based FSM. Once we complete this, we will see another example, which is NRZ to Manchester serial code converter, which basically converts your NRZ binary input stream into the Manchester output serial stream. Once we complete this part, we will see the another important aspect of design is state assignment, which is very useful as far as the optimization is concerned. So, we will take the example of BCD to XS3 serial code converter, which is a Mealy-based FSM, and we will try to see what are the state assignment guideline rules which leads to optimized hardware when we do the synthesis. So, lastly, we summarize the lecture what we have seen in terms of the Moore FSM design as well as state assignment guidelines for optimization. Thank you.